Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So today we will discuss about Python and Python editors, Python different kind of installations, all these things, and what are the different kind of applications we can do with Python. All these things we will do now. Suppose this is Python programming language. You are learning Python programming language today. Okay. After learning Python programming language, so where you can able to do the jobs in the real time. For example, there are multiple kind of domains. There are multiple kind of domains like you can do the job in the web development. So as a web developer you can development, so you can do the web development in the real time. So once you learn Python, you can able to do the web development in the real time. And once you learn Python, you can do data science applications. So you become data scientist once you learn Python properly, so you can able to work with the data science. And one more thing, after learning Python, you can do the jobs in artificial intelligence. There is a one more technology which is a emerging technology already, uh, very famous technology, something like artificial intelligence. So you can able to do the job in artificial intelligence. Yes. And again, there is a one more domain nowadays, emerging and very famous technology called quantum computing. You can do the jobs in quantum computing also. Quantum computing. Okay. And there is a one more thing. You can able to do the jobs in a blockchain application development. There is a one more domain which is very famous, blockchain application development. So even you can able to do the blockchain application development. Blockchain. Yes, blockchain apps. Something like dApps. Okay. And you can able to do the jobs in a gaming also. You can able to do the jobs in a gamings also, gaming applications also you can able to do. Okay, gaming. And you can able to do the jobs in a cloud technologies, even for cloud technologies or data analytics. Let me say something like data analytics or cloud. Okay, let me go with the cloud. Even cloud technologies also you can able to work on. And one more thing is data analytics. Data analytics. Okay. Okay, once you learn Python properly you can able to choose your domain like web development or data science applications or AI applications, artificial intelligence, something like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, all the things you can able to implement, or quantum computing. So nowadays emerging technologies, quantum computing, something like QPUs. So you can able to work with the QPUs also. And one more thing, QuizKit. Here the QuizKit is a framework. And or you can able to work with the blockchain applications like a dApps, or you can able to work with the data analytics using with the NumPy pandas, matplotlib kind of things, or you can do the jobs in a gaming also, or you can do the jobs in a cloud also. Okay, so that is the why reason I told you Python is, so there are some different features for Python. I told you already, Python is simple. You can able to do the you can able to write the code easily, and you can able to understand code easily in Python. Python is simple. And one more feature I told you, Python is Python is general purpose. Python is general purpose. I told you already, Python is general purpose. And one more thing, Python is dynamic. Python is dynamic. At the same time, Python is object oriented. Object oriented, something like it is able to work with the OOPS concepts. And Python is interpreted. Interpreted. So these are the different kind of things I already told you. There are different kind of features in Python we have already. So definitely you can able to easily understand Python programming. So this is not a big deal. You can able to do the Python coding very comfortably, easily. So we will meet in the next video how you can able to work with the different kind of editors in Python. And please like the channel share the channel, subscribe the channel, and comments are valuable. So just give some comments for that and subscribe the channel for more and more videos in Python.